Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can check your storage and clean it up on Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, if your photos, if you have a lot of photos, or if your Google Cloud is too clogged up, you might want to clean up some of your gallery so that you can add more photos later. Now, as I mentioned, this is through the Google Cloud. So the first place you would want to check out is your Google Drive, since this does take up the most space, and try to clean that up first. However, if you want to delete photos from your Google Photos, you can very easily do that as well. You can clean up your storage, and the process is the same across all mobile devices, and on computer it's a bit different, so I'll be covering both. So to clean up the storage on the mobile devices, you just go into the app, sign into your account, then tap on your profile picture or initial and go into photo settings, backup, and into manage storage. From there, you just need to go under review and delete, and you need to select any category, then tap the select button, and then here you'll be able to select all the photos, videos, and all of the items that are available to you on your Google Photos, and then tap move to trash. And then once you've moved them to trash, you can just clean the trash folder, and that will permanently delete those files and free up the storage. An alternative is just to buy more storage, and I have made a tutorial on how to do that as well. However, that is a monthly subscription, so keep that in mind. Now on the computer, it is a bit different. You just go into the store management tool, and then under review and delete, you need to select any category, then select the items you want to delete, move to trash, and then clean the trash afterwards. Now you can also freely manually delete any files you might want. On PC and on mobile, it is very easy. You just need to select multiple photos, move them to the trash, and clean it up. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.